First, declare the integer type final variable product ID in ProductPage and modify the constructor using the .data class generator extension. But the error of product page does not go away. Let's see. Oh, it's a product page, not a product page, right? Delete S and import product page. In product page, as soon as the page is loaded, it fetches the product from fake store API and displays the product details. At this time, a single product is fetched using the product ID received as an argument. First, we'll create the view model to be used in product page. Create underscore view model class and declare product or product type, status or product status type, and error of string type. Next, run the generate constructor and generate equatable of .data class generator. Modify constructor to be a const constructor. Next, create a static function from store that takes store as an argument and returns an underscore view model instance. For product value, assign product state.product of store.state. Assign product state.product status of store.state as the value of status. And assign product state.error of store.state as error value. Next, we'll connect the product page in the view model using the store connector. Let's wrap the center widget in a store connector. As types, we give appState and underscore view model. Give true as the value of distinct argument. As soon as the page is loaded, you will get product information from fake store API. So we dispatch getProductAction in onInit callback. As the value of the ID argument of getProductAction, the product ID received as a constructor argument is given. We will display a dialog when an error occurs. That's why we use store connectors onIlChange callback. onIlChange callback receives the previous view model and current view model as arguments. Therefore, if the status of the current view model is product status.failure, a dialog is displayed. Alert dialog is returned from the builder callback of the show dialog function. An error is given to the title, and the error property of the current view model is given to the content. In converter callback, it receives appState type store as an argument and calls from store static method of underscore view model. Builder callback receives a build context and underscore view model type VM as arguments. Builder callback returns various widgets depending on status. If the status of the underscore view model instance VM is product status.initial, the container is displayed. If the status of the underscore view model instance VM is product status.loading, the circular progress indicator is displayed in the center of the screen. In case of an error, we decide to display a dialog in the onIlChange callback. However, even when an error occurs, the builder callback is called. In the case of a product page that displays the product list value is an empty list by default. So even if an error occurs, there is no problem in executing the builder callback. However, if an error occurs in product page, there may be a problem in displaying product details. So in order to prevent this, if the value of the underscore view model instance VM is the same as product status.failure, product not found is displayed in red with a font size of 18.0 in the center of the screen. If the product has been fetched normally, the product value of the view model instance VM is stored in the product variable. Since the content of the product detail may be longer than the screen, we'll wrap it in a single child scroll view. As a child of a single child scroll view, I give a padding widget, and the padding is 20 in all directions. A column widget is given as a child of the padding widget. As the first child, you give a text widget that displays the title of the product. Give font size 18 and font weight as font weight bold. The price of the product is displayed using a text widget. We attach a backslash before the $sign to show the dollar symbol. Font size is 20.0 and font weight is font weight.bold. After wrapping the text widget with the align widget, give alignment of top right as the alignment value so that it can be displayed on the right. Again, give a size box of height 10.0. Display product.image using image.network. We will give product.image as the image URL, double.infinity as the width, and boxfit.cover as the fit. Again, give a size box of height 10.0. Display the description of the product. Again, give a size box of height 10.0. Display product rate and count using row widget. Give main axis alignment.end to main axis alignment of row so that the children are displayed on the right side. As the first child, rate is displayed, and its value is product.rating.rate. Set font size to 20.0. Font weight is the font weight.bold, and color to colors.blue accent. Next, I will give a size box of width 10.0. As a second child, count is displayed, and its value is product.rating.count. Set font size to 20.0, font weight to font weight.bold, and color to colors.blue accent. Let's do hard restart and test. Not only the product list, but also individual products were displayed normally. Let's do some error testing. Go to product repository.dot and change com to core. Then hard restart and test. The error failed host lookup fake store API.core was displayed through the dialog box. The reason the background is black is because we gave the background color of the scaffold black. Let's dismiss the dialog and go back to product repository.dot, change core to com, and add another S to products in the path of get product. Let's do a hard restart and test. Let's select a specific product. A format exception error occurred. Let's dismiss the dialog. Product not found is displayed in red in the middle of the screen.